Mabuhay everyone! Welcome! We are the Kitchen Savory, a food service catering business, and today we are going to show you our proposed menu for a birthday party. Next on our stuff is the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, a universal pasta that is usually loved by kids and adults. So, why it is loved by kids, you can add more cheese, and for the adults, you can add bacon, mustard, or hot sauce for it more to be appetizing for the adults. So, for the total cost of 200 servings, it is amounting to 10,074 pesos. For our next dish, which is called the pork tenderloin with apple and cinnamon, is a pork dish. So, what makes our dish loved by kids and adults? So, the pork is usually sour, which is good. It will be liked by the adults, and what make it liked by the children is because of the apples and cinnamon. The combination of apples and cinnamon will be sweet and has a different flavors that will be liked by the children of the birthday parties. So that's why we chose this pork tenderloin with apple and cinnamon to be our pork dish. And for the total amounting cost for the 200 servings of this dish, it will be amounted to 17,639 pesos. For our stuff is the pad thai. Pad thai is a universal and a very famous Chinese noodles. Our dish is called mild pad thai with tofu. So why it is loved by both kids and adults? Well, pad thai has a sweet and tangy flavor and is suited for both kids and adults rather. So the sweetness is liked by the child or children and the tanginess is loved by the adults, so that makes our noodle called malpaltay and tofu. And for the total amount of costing, which is for the 200 servings, it is amounting to 10,829 pesos.
The initial plan for our beef and cheddar sliders was to serve 12 people. So while maintaining precise ingredients, measurements, and pricing, we modified the recipe to produce 200 servings in order to accommodate a bigger quantity. These mini sandwiches are packed with juicy beef patties, melted cheddar cheese, and are topped with a savory sauce. They are perfect for family dinners, parties, or even as a fun meal for the kids. Our baked honey mustard chicken was originally designed to serve 4 servings. However, for a larger scale production, we adjusted the recipe to yield 200 servings while ensuring accurate ingredient measurements and cost. This dish is simple, flavorful, and loved by both kids and adults. The combination of tangy mustard, sweet honey, and tender chicken creates a flavor that's perfect for family meals.
So for the simple income statement, the revenue is going to be 200K for the 200 packs, 1,000 pesos per pack. So for the expenses, that includes the food and beverage cost that is e- equals to 92,147.74 pesos. The operational cost that is 10,000 pesos. The labor cost that is 16,000 pesos. The setup and decoration expenses that is equivalent to 20,000. The transportational cost that is 5,000 pesos. The miscellaneous expenses that is 5,000 pesos. The total cost would be 148,147.74 pesos, with our net income going to 51,852.26, with the profit ratio of 26%. So for the desserts, we chose two desserts, one for the adults and one for the kids. So first up is for the kids. So we chose the simple confetti cupcake. So why do we choose this dessert? So we chose this because it is easy to make, fluffy, and decorated with fun, colorful frosting and sprinkles, making them perfect for the kids. So another reasons why it is perfect for the kids is that it is colorful and fun. The rainbow sprinkle inside the cupcake make them visually appealing to the kids. So second up is it is easy to decorate. So the customer can customize the frosting, colors, and toppings to match the theme of the birthday party. Third is it is delicious and fluffy. These cupcakes are soft, sweet, perfect for little kids to grab and enjoy. Fourth is it is interactive. Kids love decorating cupcakes so they can set up the frosting and sprinkle station for them to decorate on their own. So next up is the choice for the adults. So it is the flourless chocolate tarte. So why is it that we chose that? So first is it is rich, indulgent, and sophisticated, perfect for the taste of the adults. So why the flourless chocolate tart? So first is it is rich and delicate. It has a deep chocolate flavor and a dense fudgy textures that perfect for the chocolate lovers. Second is it is elegant. It looks impressive and feels special, but it is easily surprising to make. So, lastly, it is gluten-free. Since it is flourless, it is a great option for the guests with dietary restrictions.
And our espresso martini are only suitable for adults because it has alcohol like vodka and coffee liqueur. It is equivalent to 11,120. Our lemonade are suitable for young adults and young children. It is a lemonade garnished with cotton candy and it's equivalent for 4,066.4.